So if you want a chopper that's super easy to use and really cuts up all your vegetables and fruits, you ought to give this a try. What I like about it, of course, it's all see-through here. This plastic's actually fairly thick, and so it's well made, and it also goes in the dishwasher. It's dishwasher safe. You can hand wash it, of course, or just throw it in the dishwasher. Now, when you take it off, it actually twists off, because right now it won't move. So it's not going to spill, but it actually locks in place. So we unlock it. When we take it out, you can see here we have 3 pieces here. So it's real easy to clean. And if you just want to rinse it off real quick, of course, we've got 3 blades here. We've got our main body here, which is pretty good size. So it can hold quite a bit of things that you're going to go ahead and cut. And this is the head here where you're going to go ahead and use the string here to go ahead and pull it. And let me show you here when you put it on here. It really spins quick. So I'm just going to do it real slow here for a second. Look at that. I'm going to go ahead and put some vegetables in here and just kind of give you a demonstration and show you what it can do. So I've got 3 different things we're going to go ahead and just try out in here. I've got some tomatoes, I've got some red peppers, and I've also got some almonds. So let's go ahead and we'll put these tomatoes in here first and just see how well it dices everything up. I'm going to lock it in place like that. Now I'm going to go ahead and just pull this. Now mind you, the more I pull it, the more it's going to go ahead and dice. You can see how that looks right there. We've got some large pieces. I'm going to go ahead and dice that a little bit more. And now you can definitely get a good feel for it. I did probably maybe 6 pulls and it really diced everything really well. Next, we'll try some almonds. And you can see how big that is now. Now I did that right about 6 pulls also. If I just want to make it even smaller, I just continue to do it till I get to the size that I want. Now I've got some red peppers in here. Let's go ahead and pull that a few times. And that's what we have. Super easy to use. Just between each demo that I'm doing, I just kind of rinse it out and I'm ready to go again. Hope you found this review helpful.